When Audi replaces A with S on the badge of one of its vehicles, a performance powerhouse emerges. However, the 2025 S5 Sedan and Sportback are more than just badge swaps for the ordinary A5 vehicles, as they include a powerful 6-cylinder engine and sport-tuned suspension. In 2025, the S5 Sportback will be available in two different configurations. The first is the current generation Sportback, which has been on sale in the United States since the 2018 model year. That version of the S5 is driven by a 349 horsepower turbocharged V6 that confirmed its performance skills in our tests, blasting the four-door to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds. Sedan's 362 horsepower twin-turbo V6 gives it even more power. The interior of the new S5 Sedan is likewise more technologically advanced, with additional screens, more driver assistance capabilities, and more contemporary amenities. Which is the better purchase at this point? Although the new model should be a bit faster and have a more modern appearance, the existing model still delivers a good performance value. A whole new iteration of the S5 Sedan will be released in 2025. This new model is driven by a more powerful turbocharged V6 engine, with much more current technology, and will be the sole body style offered going forward. Audi has decided to retire the coupe and convertible versions, while the S4 Sedan will be phased out in favor of the S5.